Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine, beta. How are you all?
How are you, ma'am?
Ma'am.
I'm fine, beta.
Have a nice day.
Yes. How is your day?
Nice, ma'am.
मैम आपने कल छुट्टी क्यों रखी थी क्लास में?
Because beta I was in traveling. मैं दिल्ली गई हुई थी ना, तो कल मैं ट्रेन में थी, इसलिए मैं क्लास नहीं ले सकती थी.
मैम आपका आवाज थोड़ा बदल गया है.
कराने वाले हो ना?
What beta?
Question answers.
Yes, beta. Yes. Okay.
मैम आप क्या निकाले?
Beta, today you have to open your textbook, notebook. Okay, I will explain you all the MCQs, objective types of question. You have to do the correction. Correction work is remaining of MCQs, fill-ups, true, false, and matching.
No,
then I will explain you.
दिया है.
Beta, but in homework I have given fill-ups, true, false.
मैम आपने है ना? नो मैम आपने चेक करवा दिया है और है ना आपने PDF भी भेजी और आपने समझा भी दिया है.
समझा भी दिया है.
ओके, आपके सेक्शन में हो गया.
मैम आपने समझाया नहीं. समझा दिया है.
Okay, beta, don't worry. Listen to me. I will explain you again, then we will do the question and answer. Okay, but before starting we have to do the prayer. So everyone ready for prayer?
हम कल आपने क्वेश्चन आंसर के आगे नहीं चलाए थे ना, क्योंकि कल मैं
नहीं बेटा, MCQs ही मैंने भेजे थे. ओके,
गया था ना, तो फिर मैं ज्वाइन नहीं हो पाया था.
ओके, एवरीवन डू द प्रेयर.
और
Everyone turn on your video.
नहीं था थ्रू.
Yes बेटा. Okay बेटा, do the prayer now. Wait, everyone join your hand, close your eyes, start 3 times Gayatri mantra. Start. Om Bhuvaswah Tasya Viturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhuvaswah Tasya Viturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तस्य वितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. Rub your hands.
Ma'am, now exercise. Ma'am, now exercise.
Yes. Pull your ear 5 times. Yes.
Ma'am, your voice is cutting.
Let's do this properly.
Ma'am, आज आप किसी को
do it properly, Alifia. Do the exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Alifia, let us sit properly. Okay, now everyone give thought of the day. Who will give? You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Okay. Now here is Shloka Droza's good, better, best, never, rest. Okay, these are the two thoughts. Here is Shreya Vanzadia's thought. Mistake are a fact of life. It is the response to the error that counts. Okay. Better rest you have to take for tomorrow. Okay. Now we will start our lecture. Okay, everyone. So now I'm going to share you the screen of your textbook, which we will do. I'm going to explain you again all the MCQs, and you have to do also the hard words. Okay. Just a minute, I'm sharing. See beta, all the words which are highlighted here, you have to write in hard words. Okay. I have given you PDF also. So you have to write these words in hard work. Okay. All the words which are highlighted here, you have to do in hard words. Okay. Yes or no? Write in chat box. Hard words, all the words, those are highlighted. Okay, I have sent the PDF, so you have to write from there. Now we will do the correction of all the objectives. Now objective means, yesterday one student was messaging me, ma'am, where are the objectives of textbook? I don't know. So what is the meaning of objectives, beta? Objectives means one word types questions like MCQs or fill-ups, true, false, matching. These are non-objective types of questions. Okay. So never be confused that what is the meaning of objective types of questions. So these are our objective types of questions. We will do the correction of this. Those you have completed, you have to check again. Those you did not complete it, you have to complete and check it. Okay. See, people living in the first is multiple choice question. There are 4 options. For each question, tick the correct option. Okay. First is people living in the Congo basin are called pygmies. Are called pygmies. Next is Democratic Republic of Congo was earlier known as Zaire. Okay. And third MCQ is the second largest river of Africa is the river Congo. The second largest river of Africa is the river Congo. Done, beta? Now fourth is Democratic Republic of Congo has 9 neighboring countries. Which of the following is one of them? It is Zambia. It is Zambia. Democratic Republic of Congo has 9 neighboring countries. One of them, it is Zambia. Okay? Zambia. Now, fifth is Congo Republic is located on the basin of river Congo Republic is located on the basin of river Nile, Niger, Yule or Congo. It is Congo. It is Congo. Our correct answer is Congo. Okay, now fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. The equator is the important latitude which passes through Democratic Republic of Congo. First fill up is equator. The equator is the important latitude which passes through Democratic Republic of Congo. Democratic Republic of Congo. Okay. Now the climate of DRC is hot and humid throughout the year. The climate of DRC is hot and humid throughout the year. The climate of DRC is hot and humid throughout the year. Done? Now third is Bantu. Bantu Negroes speak a language which is also known as the Bantu language. Okay. So Bantu is the language of the largest group of people in DRC. It means Democratic Republic of Congo. Largest group of people is Bantu Negroes. Okay. That's why their language is known as the Bantu. Now, fourth fill-up says Kinshasa is the capital of DRC. DRC means Democratic Republic of Congo. Democratic Republic of Congo. Okay, and Kinshasa is also a largest city. It is also a capital city of DRC. Now, fifth is Democratic Republic of Congo has a tropical climate. Democratic Republic of Congo has a tropical climate. Democratic Republic of Congo has a tropical climate. Okay, done fill up. बेटा किसी का भी wrong नहीं होना चाहिए and everyone your work should be completed. Okay. Now true false. We will do true false. Let me take the pen to write here the true false. Just wait, beta. Okay. Now true false. First is the DRC lies in the southern tropical region in Africa. No, it is false. First is false. The DRC lies in the southern tropical region in Africa. It is false. Okay. Now second is Pygmies were the original inhabitants of DRC. Yes, it is true. It is true. It is true. Now third is it rains heavily in Jair. Jair is the earlier name of DRC. So it rains heavily in Jair in the afternoon. Yes, this statement is also correct. DRC receive heavy rainfall in the afternoon and Jair is the earlier name of DRC. That's why this statement is also true. Okay, third one is also true. Now Lumbasi is the major seaport in DRC. Lumbasi is the major seaport. Now see, this is correct or wrong? It is false. It is false. Fourth one is false. Fourth one is false because Matadi is the major seaport in DRC. Matadi is the major seaport in DRC. Fourth one is false. Now Kinshasa is the largest city in the capital of Democratic Republic of Congo. Yes, it is also a capital city. Fifth one is true. First is false. Second is true. Third is true. Fourth is false. Fifth is true. Okay? Done, beta? Done till here? Now match the following. Column A will match with column V, so we have to choose the correct point. Republic will match with head of the state. Third point, head of the state. Okay, now cassava is a root crop and the main diet of the people in DRC. So it's a root crop, will match with the first option in column B. Now pygmies are living primitive life till nowadays. Primitive means ancestral or ancient. Okay, so it will match with the fifth primitive. Now okapi is an animal, so it will match with second point. Now convection is a types of rain which occurs because of sun, so it will match with fourth one, sun. Done, beta? All the exercise. Done, everyone? Yes or no? If you wish, you can take the screenshot. Done, everyone? Write yes or no in chat box. I'm going to see this. Yes, beta, I will also send the PDF, but you have to write now. I will give you time for writing the answer. Okay? Beta, shifting agriculture, I told you, in shifting agriculture, people leave the ground. जो जहां पर वो एक बार फार्मिंग करते हैं उसे थोड़े दिन के लिए छोड़ देते हैं. छोड़ने से क्या होता है, जो सॉइल के अंदर जो न्यूट्रिएंट थे जो कम हो गए हैं वो धीरे धीरे कुछ साल में वापस बन जाते हैं. इसीलिए उसे छोड़ दिया जाता है कुछ सालों के लिए और दूसरी जगह पर खेती की जाती है. ओके, दिस इज अ वन टाइप ऑफ फार्मिंग. नेचुरली उस जगह की न्यूट्रिएंट पावर धीरे धीरे वापस कंप्लीट हो जाती है, इसलिए उसे थोड़े टाइम के लिए छोड़ दिया जाता है और दूसरी जगह पर फार्मिंग की जाती है. दिस इज कॉल्ड शिफ्टिंग फार्मिंग. दैट इज द रीजन ऑफ शिफ्टिंग फार्मिंग. ओके, whose question was this? Mahi, clear beta? Mahi? Okay. You will read about the shifting farming in your 7th standard geography also, okay? Then you will understand what is the meaning of this and why it's still in practice. Okay, now we will do the question and answer. So our first question is, what type of climate does Democratic Republic of Congo have and why? So which type of climate our Democratic Republic of Congo have? Here is our answer. It has tropical. The climate, here is our answer. If you wish, you can write from here. The climate of Democratic Republic of Congo is tropical because it is landlocked country. There is a question that why it has this type of climate. The climate of Democratic Republic of Congo is tropical because it is landlocked country. Rainfall occurs daily throughout the year, especially in the afternoon. After the scorching heat of the midday. This is the reason, okay? If you wish, you can write, everyone write your answer. I hope you all are able to see my screen properly. Write your first answer. The climate of Democratic Republic of Congo is tropical because it is a landlocked country. Rainfall occurs daily throughout the year, especially in the afternoon after the scorching heat of the midday. Firstly, write down the classwork in your notebook, okay? Then date, classwork and date, and from first line write down your chapter number and name. Third line you have to write answer the following question, and then note down your question number 1. Question number 1. What is the climate of Democratic Republic of Congo and why? And then write down your answer. The climate of Democratic Republic of Congo is tropical because it is a landlocked country. Rainfall occurs daily throughout the year, especially in the afternoon after the scorching heat of the midday. Okay, now second question is, name 3 types of commercial use found in Democratic Republic. Name 3 trees of commercial use found in Democratic Republic of Congo. So which are the 3 types of trees? You have to give this answer. You have learnt about this in your 4th standard also. Firstly, give me answer. No, beta. Firstly, leave the pages for hard words. Leave the pages for hard words. Yes, I will also send PDF, but you have to write now. Okay? Those work will remaining. You have to see from the PDF. Okay, beta, I will show you, but firstly give me the second answer. The trees found in evergreen forest. No, beta, there are not only 11 hard words. All the words which are highlighted, you have to do. I sent you the PDF yesterday. From there, you have to write all the words which are highlighted. Mahi Sweta, what is your doubt, beta? Just a minute, Mahi. Mahi Sweta. What is your doubt, beta?
Ma'am, I told you it is done. My doubt is solved.
Solved? Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, beta. Okay, beta. It's okay. Okay. Now, the name of the trees are ebony, mahogany, and rubber are the three trees of commercial use found in Democratic Republic of Congo. Okay. Second answer, ebony, mahogany, and rubber are the trees of commercial use found in Democratic Republic of Congo. Ebony, mahogany, and rubber are three trees of commercial use found in Democratic Republic of Congo. Commercial use means for industrial purpose, from where we get or we earn the monies. Okay. Now the third question is, everyone complete your first and second answer. Second answer is ebony, mahogany, and rubber are the three trees of commercial use found in Democratic Republic of Congo. Found in Democratic Republic of Congo. Done. Now note down your question number 3. Now question number 3 is, name the countries. I think it is about the countries. Name the countries along the eastern border of Democratic Republic of Congo. Okay, so your answer is the countries along the eastern border of Democratic Republic of Congo are Tanzania, Uganda, Rwanda, and Burundi. You can also see the map for understanding the location of the eastern countries. See here, the map I am showing you, then you have to write. See, this is eastern part of or eastern border of Democratic Republic of Congo. So here are the Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi, Tanzania. These are the neighboring countries on the eastern border of Democratic Republic of Congo. Okay, now you have to write your answer. Complete your answer, beta. Third one, the countries along the eastern border of Democratic Republic of Congo are Tanzania, Uganda, Rwanda, and Burundi. Done, beta? The countries along the eastern border of Democratic Republic of Congo are Tanzania, Uganda, Rwanda, and Burundi. The countries along the eastern border of Democratic Republic of Congo are Tanzania, Uganda, Rwanda, and Burundi. Done. Now fourth question. Fourth question, who are pygmies? Who are pygmies? Who will give this answer? Who are pygmies? Pygmies are considered to be the original inhabitants of Africa. Original inhabitants means those are the original peoples, those are living there naturally and generation wise they did not came from anywhere. वो कहीं और से नहीं आए. They were living naturally there. जिनका birth वहीं पर हुआ है. Okay, and their ancestors were also born there, and they are still living there, known as the original inhabitants. Okay, so pygmies are considered to be the original inhabitants of Africa. Okay, who are pygmies? Pygmies are considered to be the original inhabitants of Africa. Original inhabitants of Africa. Done, beta? Done? Who are pygmies? Pygmies are considered to be the original inhabitants of Africa. Now, fifth number question. Name the minerals found in Congo. Name the minerals found in Congo. Name the minerals found in Congo. Minerals found in Democratic Republic of Congo are bauxite, cadmium, copper, diamond, gold, zinc, iron, manganese, uranium, silver, radium, etc. Minerals found in Democratic Republic of Congo are bauxite, cadmium, copper, diamond, gold, zinc, iron, manganese, uranium, silver, radium, etc. Done, beta? All the answers done? Yes or no? Done, beta? Yes, I will send you the PDF also, so don't worry if your work is remaining. You have to complete from the PDF. Now I'm going to ask some question. Harshil, what happened, beta? Just a minute, Harshil. Beta, I will send you the PDF, then write from here, okay? Harshil. Yes, beta. Harshil.
रिजल्ट कब आएगा हमारा एग्जाम का?
बेटा रिजल्ट जब आएगा तब आपको मैसेज कर देंगे. ओके.
यस.
ओके बेटा. ओके नाउ. ओके बेटा. Now I'm going to ask some questions from this chapter. Everyone is ready? Ready, beta? Yes, you can use. Okay, now question is, okay beta, now question is, what is cassava? What is cassava? What is cassava? What is cassava? Okay, beta Mahi. What is cassava? Okay, cassava is a root crop and main diet of the people of DRC. Okay, now next question is, name any two cash crops of DRC. Name any two cash crops of DRC. Name any two cash crop of DRC. Okay, coffee, tobacco, oil palm. Oil palm. Okay, now next question is, coffee, cocoa, tobacco, oil palm. These are some cash crops. Okay, which transport is the important means of transport in DRC? Next question is, which transport is the main means of transport in DRC? No, it is water transport. Air transport Kavya Bhuva, not air transport beta. Water transport is the main means of transport. Okay. Now next question is, name the city which is the major seaport. Name the city where are the major seaports. Yes, Om Kakashaniya, correct beta. Name the city where are the major seaports. Matadi. Matadi is the major seaport. Is a city where are the major seaports. Okay, now next question is, which type of government are there in DRC? Which type of government are there in DRC? Beta, don't fight, Mahi. It's okay, beta, if someone is seeing your answer and giving, it means he or her is learning from to you. Okay, beta? Who is giving this? Alish and Dhruvel, don't give the sticker beta, you know na. These are strictly not allowed. Don't give again. Okay. Which types of government is in DRC? Nobody is giving answer. Why? Which type of government is in DRC? Give your answer. Which type of government are in DRC? Which type of government are in DRC? Beta, name the form of government of DRC. DRC means बेटा गवर्नमेंट किस तरीके की गवर्नमेंट है वहां पर? इट इज श्लोक. DR means it is democratic republic. Democratic republic. Okay. There is democratic republic. The types of government is democratic republic. Okay. Everyone, answer is democratic republic. Okay. Now next question is, name the capital city of DRC. Name the capital city of DRC. Okay, correct answer, Kinshasa is the name of the city, capital city of DRC. Okay. Kinshasa. Okay. Now next is name the forest which found in DRC. 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 Evergreen forest. Okay. Okay, everyone. Okay, Manan. Evergreen forest. Okay. Evergreen forests are found in DRC. Now next question is, which areas are known as the home of elephant, rhinoceros and hippopotamus? Which areas are known as the home of elephant, rhinoceros and hippopotamus in DRC? Marshy. Okay, Dharmbarashtra. Marshy areas. Marshy means a land which is very wet and become loose. Okay, done this. So we have completed this chapter, beta. We have completed this chapter. Okay, and we have also completed the question and answer. I will send you the PDF for question and answer also, and you have to write all the hard words which I have sent yesterday in PDF. All the highlighted words are your hard words. So firstly do the hard words, then write down your question and answer. Okay everyone? Now take care beta. Goodbye. Have a nice day. We will do the next chapter from tomorrow. Okay?